Hello everyone, every piece of advice I'm going to explain in this video is confirmed by the mechanics here at the shop where I am right now. When your Hyundai throws that little message saying, check BSD system, it's the system that watches your blind spots and warns you if a car is coming from the left or right. If you see that warning, it means something is confusing it, frustrated it, or maybe knocked it out for a moment. And here's where it gets interesting. Most of the time, it's not a serious problem. Usually the sensor is just dirty or blocked. Those sensors tucked in the corners of the rear bumper are like little busybodies that need a clear view. If you cover them with mud, dirt, wax, or heavy rain hits them, they get blind, and your car throws the warning. That's why when cars come into the shop, cleaning the area often fixes it right away. But if you've already cleaned it and the message keeps popping up, then it's time to think about the car's electrical system. The famous BSD system fuse can burn out or have a bad connection, and when that happens, the car gets dramatic. Checking the fuse is easy and quick, and a lot of mechanics who've dealt with this recommend it. If it's blown, you replace it. If it's fine, you keep investigating. Here's something nobody tells you. Many times the problem shows up after a bump on the bumper, even a minor one. Those sensors need to be aligned like snipers. If the bumper got slightly bent or the mount moved just a millimeter, the sensor looks the wrong way, and the system says, hey, something doesn't add up. Now, if the bump wasn't the cause, we go a bit further into the real world, the connectors. Back there where the sensors live, there are wires and plugs that sometimes get wet, corroded, or loose. One mechanic said he just unplugged and replugged the sensor and everything worked. Another said his problem was a wire that had been chewed up over time. And if you've checked cleaning, fuses, bumps, and connectors, then comes the step many mechanics recommend, running an OBD scanner. Here's where everything ties into the final solution. If the scanner says the sensor is damaged or out of calibration, there's no way around it. You have to replace or recalibrate it. These sensors can't be calibrated by eye. They need a professional scanner like Hyundai GDS, Autel, Snap-on, Bosch, or one that has the blind spot detection calibration function. This process teaches the sensor its new position, so it can see cars beside you properly again. Some mechanics here also mention that in rare cases, if the car is very new or had a failed update, reprogramming the module can solve the problem. It doesn't happen often, but it can happen.